Looking for a used car but want peace of mind? At Vernon Toyota, our Toyota certified used vehicles give you more than just a great deal. They give you confidence from day one. Every Toyota certified used vehicle goes through a rigorous 160-point inspection performed by a factory-trained technician. That's everything from brakes and tires to the engine, suspension, and even cosmetic details. It's basically a new car checked inside and out. Plus, you'll receive your next oil change free of charge. And when you buy certified, you get a Carfax Canada report included. That means full transparency on the vehicle's history, previous ownership, service records, accident history at your fingertips. No surprises, just confidence. On top of that, every certified Toyota comes with a 1-year trial of Toyota's connected services. That gives you remote access to your car, vehicle health updates, and safety features. And of course, all certified vehicles include 24-hour roadside assistance for 6 months or 10,000 kilometers. Flat tire, dead tire, battery, or lockout, help is just a call away. So when you shop Toyota certified used at Vernon Toyota, you're not just buying a car, you're buying peace of mind, backed up by Toyota. Come see our inventory today.